each time we have a problem, be they a major earthquake or be they a huge conflict that converts a beautiful city to rubble, if we have a national calamity of one sort or another, we're able somehow to, there's the vision of a particular person who takes risks and is willing to rebuild an enterprise. Is there going to be deaths on the way or destruction? Yes, I'm afraid so, because not everybody is going to turn into a person of vision. But I think what one would have to consider is, can we have certain institutions convert themselves into rebuilding the capital of that has been destroyed and providing the initial capital, the initial vision, without taking away the innovative ability? Can we rebuild the concept of development banks that would help move innovative companies through the process of reestablishing themselves? This is the time when the establishment needs to take a view that startups are a wonderful, necessary, innovative activity that you should not allow to die. What they should be will come from innovative people, will come from visionary governments. But I would be very surprised if we found companies falling at the wayside without someone coming and say that we should not let this happen. And in our own way, we may not rebuild to 100%, but we would rebuild. And there may be new owners of that activity, but we will rise to the occasion of building them back.